Misty from this to this. Awesome! Pagpapagin ng Kembot na awesome. Kembot awesome.
Yes. This was last year lang, Mamu.
Last year lang to?
Yeah.
Akala ko mga 10 years ago
No,
pa ito.
last year
so
lang
last
yan.
year,
Yes.
and then now, the
Yes.
now.
Now.
So spill the tea.
Okay.
Time to spill the tea. How'd you do it?
Okay, number one, hindi na maganda yung pakiramdam ko. So I was 140 when I started show business in 1984. I was 140. I doubted myself. It's a commitment.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a full commitment talaga. Parang I had that withdrawal for like 2 weeks.
Nade-depress
Hindi
ka
naman,
na,
hindi
ano,
naman.
oo.
Pero ano lang yung parang, gosh, hindi. Pero kinakausap ko yung sarili ko na, hindi, gusto mo to, di ba? Hindi maganda pakiramdam mo, di ba? Yung ganyan.
Tanya Montenegro, nakilala noong 1980s bilang leading lady ni Aga Mulak sa hit movie na Campus Beat. Gumawa rin siya ng ibang pelikula tulad ng Isang Platitong Mani at isa sa mga teen stars ng That's Entertainment. Lumipas ang panahon at nag-focus na si Tanya bilang isang ina, isang magaling na chef at isang celebrity restaurateur.
Favorite table of all.
Oo, ganda.
Kasi nandyan yung name.
Yes.
Yes. Tapos ito naman, this wall, our customers can, can purchase and take home after they eat, ganon. Tapos yan, may mga steaks din kami.
Wow.
And yung mga bacon, yung mga, what we serve for our all-day breakfast, yan, we have it also. Yan.
Pwede pa kayo mag-uwi, mag-take home, no?
Yes, the wines.
Ng mga products dito.
Ang madalas dito is, of course, sila Arlene. Arlene Mulak kasi lapit
Arlene?
lang ni Arlene, yeah. Oo,
Ah.
tapos, recently, of course, I had sina Wendell, I had Rufa and Sunshine, I had Ate Janice here recently, and sino pa ba nakapagpunta na?
Si Nadia, syempre.
Of course. Si Nadia pang ilang ano na. Ayun, oo, tapos, meron din akong mga naging guest na, yun naman, nasa mga politiko. Ayun, so,
Naman ng mga art. Nagpapalit ka rin ba ng art?
hindi masyado. Si
Pero
Nadia,
do you draw? Tama.
Yeah.
Tama na mention
Nadia and my granddaughter.
Oh,
Yeah, she loves drawing.
oh.
Now, Mamuan, eto na tayo.
Ito na, here we are.
Yeah,
Alimento.
Alimento. Ito yung restaurant ng friend ko. It's Spanish-Mexican.
Oh, nice.
So, they have brick oven pizza and all that.
At saka tinan mo, merong mga
Yeah,
parang
mga puno-puno.
puno-puno.
Yes, yes.
So, Spanish-Mexican.
Yeah, Spanish-Mexican, di ba?
Interesting.
Oh, it's ano, tapos may cigar lounge because Mona likes to smoke cigar.
Wow.
Yeah.
Aba, itour mo na ako
Yeah,
dyan.
let's go.
Ayan. Yan na Spanish-Mexican.
Yeah.
Welcome to my vlog, Tin Mates. This vlog is about the amazing transformation of Tanya from this to this. Eto na nga kami! Nakaupo na kami dito sa Alimento. Parang elemento with an A.
Yes.
Alimento dito sa Mojito, Alabang.
Alabang.
Mojito. Kasi
Mojito
Mojito.
yung drink natin, yeah.
Pero ito,
Mojito.
non-alcoholic version, no?
Non-alcoholic version. Mocktail lang to.
Mocktail lang po
Yes.
ito kasi hapon po ngayon.
Yes.
Eme lang. In short, how are you, Miss T?
I'm good, Mamu. How are you?
I'm great. This is the
Yes.
TNT version of my
TNT,
vlog.
Tanya and Tintin version.
Yes.
Yes.
Hindi ako nakapunta last time.
Yes.
Sa Paranaque, in
Oo.
your restaurant, and Julius first
Yes.
went to you and vlogged you. But of course, I watched the vlog.
Of course. Ang saya.
Ang saya. At narinig ko pa ulit-ulit yun pag ini-edit ni Papu.
Yeah.
Sa kotse, sa loob ng kwarto namin. Kaya memorize ko rin.
Yes.
But you know, you look great!
Thanks, Mamu. Thank you so much.
Awesome!
Thank you.
Oh, you're
Thank
welcome.
you.
When I saw your Instagram, sabi ko, Papo, kailangan makausap ko si Miss
Yeah.
T. Si Tanya para tanungin sa kanya at i-share niya rin
Yes.
sa ating mga mostly babae
Yes.
ng mga subscribers how you did it.
Okay.
Pero bago yan,
Yeah.
courtesy of Beng, nag-print ho siya.
Yeah.
So, tinan mo, Miss T, from this to
To
this.
this.
Awesome. Patingin ng Kembot na awesome. Kembot awesome.
Yes, mamaya kikembot tayo.
Kaya Kembot ka. Merong fashion show mamaya si Miss T sa inyo dyan sa baba. So, ito na nga.
Yes.
So, ito, anong year to? Tanya?
This was last year lang, Mamu.
Last year lang to?
Yeah.
Akala ko mga 10 years ago
No,
pa ito.
last year
so
lang
last
yan.
year,
Yes.
and then now, the
Yes,
now.
now.
So spill the tea.
Okay.
Time to spill the tea. How'd you do it?
Okay, number one, dyan sa picture na yan, Mamu, I was 228 pounds.
220?
228 pounds na yan.
And now?
Now I'm 132.
So that's
98 pounds.
how?
Pounds. Okay. First thing is, of course, syempre nandun yung guidance natin kay Doc Ronald Angeles. Kasi syempre si Doc, siya yung nilapitan ko that time when I wasn't feeling good about myself anymore. Kasi during those time, I was diagnosed with Hashimoto disease. So it's an autoimmune, right? Yung ganyan na. Kahit hindi ako kumain, Mamu, mag-gain weight ako. Oo, so
pala yun.
hindi na masarap, hindi na maganda yung pakiramdam ko. So, in my desperation, minessage ko si Doc Angeles and sabi ko, Doc, I really need your help. So, I went to see him and when I went to see him, ayun, he does naman kasi the diet tailor-made to you. Like for me, may thyroid issue ako because of the Hashimoto.
Yeah.
So, meron siyang medication na binigay sa akin, not only to help me lose weight, but also to cure my Hashimoto disease, my thyroid problem.
Yeah.
So, ayun, and then, calorie deficit, Mamu. Diet talaga. May mga inalis si Doc sa akin na food na hindi makakatulong sa weight loss. So, I went on a calorie deficit diet for strictly for like 5 months. Strict talaga yung na calorie deficit. And then, I would go see him every week kasi malapit lang naman si Doc sa akin. So, weekly ko siya pinupuntahan and he was giving me medications. Not only medications, Mamu, but he would also give me vitamins. Vitamins to sustain the weight loss, to make the metabolism faster. Yun. And then, I was losing until inabot namin yung 9 months na sabi ni Doc sa akin, papapayatin kita, mas payat pa sa kung ano ka nung nag-artista ka, nung nag-umpisa daw ako. Mamu, ano yun sabi ko talaga, Doc, seryoso. I was 140 when I started show business in 1984. I was 140. And, syempre, nung una, I doubted myself. Sabi ko, hindi ko kakayanin yung more than that. Because every time I'd lose, sabi ni Doc, kaya pa natin. Until finally, yon 132 pounds.
Suling. So ito na yung
Yes.
desired and ideal weight mo. Hindi ka na magbabawas pa. This is it.
Actually, for my height, nung inano namin ni Doc, I'm supposed to be 128. So, parang may 4 pounds na 4 pounds lang. But, na-reach ko na yung kung ano yung dapat na
Kasi you look great if
Thank
you ask
you.
me. Bonggang-bongga na
Thanks,
yan.
Mamu. Thank
Kaya
you.
bibigyan mo na ako ng mga nakatupis ka.
Hindi pa ako nagtutupis.
Two-piece reveal.
But, who
One
knows?
piece.
One piece.
Ayan.
Kaya ko yung one piece.
Yung mga follow-up questions ko. When you say calorie deficit,
Yes.
okay, ilang calories a day? From, let's say,
Okay.
yung dati, nakakailang calories ka ba prior to weight loss?
For mga babae tayo, normally it's about 1,200 to 1,400 calories a day ang dapat for us to
Lang?
burn energy, yung ganyan.
Okay.
But since I went on a calorie deficit, I did 500 calories a day.
Grabe!
Oo.
Sandali
Pero-
muna. Ano ang kinakain ng
Oo.
isang taong naka-calorie deficit diet na 500 calories lang a
Yes.
day?
Oo.
Give me a sample. May
Okay.
pictures ka ba ng mga kinakain mo at
I can
the time?
send you, Mamu, I'll send you pictures. But
sige.
ang calorie deficit, the 500 calories is for breakfast, coffee, black coffee.
Okay.
And then for
Oh,
lunch,
that's it.
yeah.
Black coffee.
Yeah,
No
black
sugar,
coffee.
no milk.
you don't have sugar, you don't have milk, but doc allows you with artificial sweeteners.
Like stevia.
Stevia,
monk,
equal, or whatever. Yeah, monk fruit.
Yes.
And then no milk. Unless,
No dairy.
yeah, no dairy. Unless talaga na kailangan mo talaga, hindi mo kaya yung black, he'll allow non-fat milk. Yeah, yon. And then,
Lunch na.
lunch is 100 grams of protein.
Typically,
protein.
ano yun? Ano yung 100 grams?
100 grams, mamu, is like about 6 pieces of medium-sized na shrimp. Okay?
Or?
Tapos, 100 grams na beef tenderloin na naka-cubes. So, ilang...
Mga gano'ng kalaki 100 grams? Kasi laki ng palad o kalahati
mga
ng
ganito,
palad?
mamu, mga ganito.
malaki na rin.
Yeah, 100 grams.
How thick? Yung meat na yun.
Mamu, ang ginagawa ko sa beef tender, kinu-cubes ko. So, medyo marami siya.
Yes.
Tapos, yung chicken breast, 100 grams is, di ba yung chicken breast filet, ganyan?
Yes.
So, half of it. Yan, oo. Tapos, ganun din for dinner, same 100 grams. Ang maganda lang kasi is yung gulay is unlimited.
Oh, I
Oo.
see.
But you're only allowed one kind of gulay. For example, if I have kangkong lang.
For the day.
No, for lunch. I
for a
cannot mix.
meal.
Yes, I cannot mix. I can't mix yung gulay kasi mag-iiba yung calorie count
got
niya,
it.
'di ba?
Oo.
So, pag naka-calorie deficit, hindi ako pwede magpinakbet, hindi ako pwede chop
Chapsuy.
suey. Yeah. So,
salad.
Salad is allowed.
Na-
Unlimited yung salad.
Na
Of
halo-halo
course,
din, ha?
Yeah, you can have lettuce, cucumber, tomato, yung ganon.
Okay.
You're allowed with that naman.
With dressing? Wala.
Pwede po, non-fat dressing lang.
What about olive oil?
Olive oil is allowed. Olive
okay.
oil is allowed. Yun lang yung oil na allowed. Tapos,
Bawal ang Caesar salad dressing, ranch dressing.
actually,
kasi cream.
mamu, pwede naman Caesar salad dressing. Ikaw ang gumawa. Kasi Caesar salad is lang, mainly naman egg yolk lang and olive oil and lemon, di ba?
So, allowed ang egg?
Yes.
Okay.
Egg is allowed.
Okay.
Tapos, of course, walang butter, walang gravy, walang mayonnaise,
Ketchup.
yung mga ganon. Ketchup is allowed.
Okay.
Yes. Kaya hindi naging masyadong mahirap, mamu. Kasi, diet siya na may lasa.
Yun, yan, yan. Yan, tatanungin ko.
Yes. Hindi
A
siya
bit of
yung...
salt.
Salt, pepper
Pwede.
is allowed.
Okay.
Actually, even toyo and suka is allowed.
ganda.
Kaya nga you can make adobong kangkong, yung ganyan.
tama.
Yun. So, allowed naman siya. Kaya hindi masyadong boring yung diet.
Okay.
Kasi pwede naman talaga, yun lang, wala lang mayonnaise, huwag kang mag-mayonnaise, wala lang ganun.
So, mas maganda kung home-cooked meal.
Yes.
Paano kung kakain ka sa labas o ang dami mong imbitasyon
Normally, mamu, salad. Salad
That's it for
talaga.
the whole night, salad lang.
Salad
Eh, unli naman ka mo, di
Oo,
ba?
unli naman yung salad, basta healthy lang yung dressing. Pero ako kasi, for me, ang naging favorite dressing ko is, I would mix balsamic vinegar.
Sarap nun.
Oo. Balsamic vinegar with water. And then, yung para tumamis ng konti at magkaroon ng I put Splenda or Stevia or whatever para may balance naman yung lasa.
So, that's your typical 3 meals in a day.
Yes.
Eh, paano yung in-between?
Wala.
Magutom ka.
If ever lang naman
Oo.
talaga na magutom ka na coffee, you can have
Coffee pa
coffee,
din.
tea.
Only coffee din.
Oh,
Okay
yeah,
din.
yeah. Tea. Or kung talagang gusto mo talaga ng may laman yung stomach mo is apple. A small apple.
Small
Yeah.
apple.
Or siguro pomelo, yung mga ganon.
Suha is good
Yes,
eh.
suha is good.
Oo. Anong
Yan.
prutas ang bawal?
Of course, the high-fat fruits ang bawal is, of course, banana, mango, yung mga avocado, yung mga kahit sabihin nilang healthy fat yung avocado.
Oo nga.
But it's high in fat kasi. Oo, it's high in
Diba for
fat.
the longest time, sabi nila avocado is good.
Yes.
Pero dahil nga high in fat.
Yes, high in fat.
Pero omega naman yun, di ba? Omega
Yeah,
3
but
na fat.
when you're on a calorie deficit kasi, it doesn't work.
I
It doesn't,
see.
talaga. Makaka-disrupt siya dun sa, nung calorie deficit mo.
So, bawal kahit tikim ng ice cream. Bawal.
Oo, yun, sobrang strict ko dun sa akin.
Yogurt.
Time na yun.
Yogurt.
Not on the first few months of the calorie deficit. But now that I'm on the maintenance phase, I take yogurt.
Pwede na.
Yeah, Greek yogurt.
Oh, so,
Yeah.
bago mo sinabak ang sarili mo doon sa
Yeah.
calorie deficit, syempre may nakasanayan ka lang kainin, di ba?
Oo.
Ano yung mga paborito mong pagkain nun bago ka pinapayat ni Dr. Ron?
Mamu, mahilig kasi ako sa, because I'm always on the go.
Oo.
So sometimes mahilig akong umano ng fast food. Okay. So
fast food.
that's a no-no. That's a no-no. So wala nang fast food. Tapos wala na rin yung mga creamy, mamu. Wala na yung mga
Na
creamy.
dati mong hilig.
Yeah,
Oo.
oo. Wala nang creamy. Not allowed na yung mga creamy. And then, of course, wala na rin yung mga sweets. Cake.
Oh.
Diba?
Sweet tooth ka ba?
Yes.
Oh, imagine,
Just like
kinibak
my
mo
mom.
yun.
Just like my mom. My mom's sweet tooth. So I had to give that up. Yung cakes.
Pero wala ka
yung mga
naman
ganyan.
diabetes?
Wala po.
Okay,
wala.
okay.
But now, kahit pa paano, nakakatikim-tikim naman
balik
ako.
na.
Yeah, but little by little lang. Kasi I cannot, na parang ayoko naman din masayang yung effort.
Oo,
diba? So,
diba? Oo.
very cautious pa rin ako
Correct,
sa
correct.
kinakain ko.
Sayang ang pagod eh. Pagod
Exactly.
rin.
Sayang yung pagod, sayang yung effort. But you know, Mamu, losing weight is not just about losing weight. Eh.
Yeah.
It's a commitment eh.
Yeah,
So,
totoo.
nandun pa rin yung mindset mo.
Yeah,
'Di ba?
yeah.
So, it's mind over matter.
Yes, yes.
It has to be mind over matter. Hindi lang pwede kasi gusto ng katawan mo. But if your mind or if your mindset is not into it, hindi rin mag-work
Mag-work,
talaga.
tama.
So it's a total life change. It's a mindset you have to it's a commitment.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a full commitment talaga.
Okay, before going into the calorie deficit diet, naramdaman mo ba yung parang, syempre sa first few days, parang naluloka ka na hindi mo kinakaya, yung withdrawal symptoms mo, naramdaman mo yun?
Yeah, oo. Mararamdaman mo talaga yun, especially pag mahilig ka sa bread na may butter, yung gano'n. Minsan, di ba, comfort food, di ba?
oo.
So, parang I had that withdrawal for like 2 weeks.
No.
Na ang hirap
Ano,
talaga.
mainit ulo mo, nade-depress
Hindi naman,
ka? Na,
hindi
ano,
naman.
oo.
Pero ano lang yung parang, gosh, hindi. Pero kinakausap ko yung sarili ko na, hindi, gusto mo to, di ba? Hindi maganda pakiramdam mo, di ba? Yung ganyan. Ano ka, di ba? Yung sad ka, depressed ka sa itsura mo, di ba? So, kinakausap ko yung sarili ko na hindi, kailangan kong gawin to. And for a time, umabot ako dun sa point na kahit lumalabas kami, pupunta kaming mall, may baon ako. So, yun yung kakainin
nga,
ko.
hindi ba parang ang lungkot naman?
Oo.
Ako may baon, sila kumakain. Hindi ba
Yes.
parang yung ganun na suko na kaya ako?
Oo.
Dumating ba sa point mo
No.
na nandun ka sa gitna, atas na kaya ako?
No, Mamu.
Hindi, talagang determined ka.
I was determined talaga. No, I have to make this work.
Oo.
I was talagang determined. Talagang sobrang higpit ko. Ang maganda lang naman din sa journey ko, Mamu, sa losing weight kay Doc Angeles is I had friends with me.
Yeah.
Oo.
Showbiz friends.
Yes.
Sino-sino
I
mga
had,
to?
I had Ara.
Si Ara
was with
Mina,
me.
ay, friend ko na. Si Ara, hi, Ara.
And then Rochelle Marameda was
Rochelle,
with me.
okay.
Si Chef O.
Oh,
Si
sabay-sabay
Chef
pala.
Ocel,
Oh,
yeah.
Chef, oo.
And then si Arlene.
Arlene.
And,
Arlene Mulak.
Yeah, Arlene Mulak. And Almira.
Almira Mulak.
Tapos, Aiko.
Si Aiko,
Yeah, Aiko
yeah.
goes to Doc Angeles also.
Yeah.
And then what's her name? Si Angelica.
Angelica de la
Yes,
Cruz.
yan.
Ang dami niyo pala, puro A yun, ha?
Yeah,
Ara,
Alma,
Arlene.
Concepcion.
May Alma pa, puro letter A.
Yeah.
Oo.
So, ang maganda lang dun sa naging journey ko is I had friends with me
Oo,
nung time
hindi
na
ka
yon.
nag-iisa.
So, I wasn't alone na parang, gosh, I'm doing this alone, yung ganon.
Oo, naman
Oh,
yun.
yung ganon. So, minsan sabay kami, dahil iisa lang naman yung village na tinitirhan namin. So, sabay kaming pupunta kay Doc, yung
Ayan.
ganyan. So, andun yung, pagkatas namin kay Doc, kain tayo, yung ganon. So,
Pareho rin kayo na kinakain.
may nagbabantay nung kakainin mo. Yeah, yung ganon.
Oh, yung ganda, para naging group bonding,
Yes.
girl bonding. Para kay
Yes.
Spice Girls.
Exactly. Yun.
At sabay-sabay nga kayo na, ngayon, na-reach nyo na yung ideal goals
kasi
nyo.
di ba, sexy ni
Oo.
Ara.
Si Ara, matagal na pala niyang ginagawa. 3 years, right?
Yeah,
Oh.
parang mga ganon.
Oo.
Sexy ni Ara,
Oo.
sexy na rin ni Aiko.
Oo.
Arlene is grabe, ang laki na nung niliit
Yeah.
ni Arlene.
Si
And then-
si Aiko, pagkita ko sa kanya,
Yeah, si Aiko.
parang bata, parang si Ashtin Olvida, gano'n.
Yeah, si Aiko.
Oh, Aiko,
And then,
Arlene, oh.
nag-chat nga kami ni Aiko minsan na, anong weight mo ngayon? Ate, I'm like this. Ate, I'm like that. So,
Okay.
ganon. So,
Si Almira pa.
Si Almira, ang laki din ng pinayat ni
Alma
Almira. Alma Concepcion. Alma would always post on her Instagram na yung grabe. Pero si Alma kasi masigasig mag-exercise. Oo, nag-exercise siya. Ano lang kay Doc Angeles is, when you're on the calorie deficit, he's not gonna allow you to exercise so much. Actually, ako, no exercise, Mamu.
Okay.
Totally not.
Why is this?
Because you're on a calorie deficit, baka
Mahilo
mahilo ka
Oo.
or something, yung ganon. So, yun lang, actually, yun din yung pursige sa akin kay Doc na walang exercise.
Kasi nga, you're not an exercise
no,
person.
I'm not an outdoor person.
Lakad-lakad, wala rin. Lakad
Hindi
sa
rin-
mall, exercise
yeah,
din yun, ha?
Yeah, oo. Pero hindi rin talaga ako na person.
Hindi kayo
talaga ako.
stationary bike, ma-wave, ma-treadmill, hindi
It's so
gano'n.
boring. So boring para sa akin yun.
So,
Mas gusto ko
perfecto
ng-
sa mga katulad mo na
Yeah.
hindi exercise is not
Ako,
their thing.
parang exercise is not it's not a part of life. Yung ganon. Yeah, so okay siya sa ganon, ma'am. Yung ganyan.
Okay.
And isa pa is, kaya ako rin siguro na pursige rin to, ma'am, is because si Doc kasi, rin, yung yung kanya, anong pakiramdam mo ngayon? Doc, parang ganito. Sige, ito gagawin natin. He'll always find a way to maneuver, to cater to yung kung ano man yung parang Doc, nag-plateau ko. Okay, sige, ito gagawin natin. Yung ganon
So, hindi siya cookie cutter type na this method applies to all.
No.
So, iti-tweak niya
No,
according
yes.
to you,
According
personality
to you.
mo.
Yes, yes.
Lifestyle mo.
Yes,
Oo.
yes. He'll not, na parang, ito diet ko
Oo,
ganon.
oo.
No.
Dali.
He will, pag sinabi mong, Doc, plateau ako Doc, ganito, Doc. Okay, sige, ito gagawin natin ito, ganyan. Pero lagi naman sasabihin ni Doc, pag hindi ka nag-lose, ikaw ang mali.
Kasi may siguro
Kasi
nandaya ka.
imposible,
or
oo.
may patago kang ginawa.
Correct. Kasi kung susundin mo talaga yung diet niya,
Sigurado yan, number one.
sigurado na papayat ka talaga.
So, how
It's
long did it take for
Me?
you? Ilang months?
9 months.
Less than a year.
Yeah,
9 months.
The 98 pounds.
Yeah.
And ngayon naman, Mamu, kasi di ba, syempre, Spanish food. I love Spanish food. We love to eat yung
napaka-oily
ganyan.
ng Spanish food. Masarap sa
Pero,
business mo.
ang ginagawa ko naman, Mamu, ngayon is I'm diverting. I'm practicing and I'm concocting like a healthy version of the Spanish food.
Ay.
I already have yung shirataki rice paella. Yes. So,
First ka, parang ikaw lang
Yes.
yata ang first na
Yes.
mag-offer ng
Yes.
shirataki rice paella.
Yes.
Kasi usually, ano ba yung ginagamit? Paella rice, di ba?
bomba rice.
Oo, yun.
Kasi kahit ako sa restaurant, bomba rice talaga.
Pero ngayon,
Yeah,
shirataki.
shirataki rice.
Which is lower in
Calories.
Calories.
Yes, very much lower in calories.
Oo.
So if yung isang paella would be like, let's say about 800 calories because of the bomba rice and all the other chorizo, ganyan. This shirataki version would be like about siguro mga 200 something lang.
Wow,
Yeah.
mukhang 200
Yeah.
calories sa isang buong
Yeah.
or per serving.
No, isang lang ganun.
Oh,
Yeah.
Parang unang-una yata akong titikim yan. At
Yeah,
order
yeah,
niya.
yeah,
Listahan niya.
yeah.
So, aside from paella na
I'm also trying to, I'm concocting now yung vegan na kalyos. Di ba?
So, hindi siya yung
Hindi siya
laman-loob
yung laman-loob na So,
Wow.
nandun pa rin yung kalyos taste, pero
Excuse me.
on the healthier version nga, the vegan,
Looking forward to
Yeah,
that. Kasi
yes.
mag-o-open po sa Quezon City.
Yeah, we'll go Quezon
si
City
Miss T.
naman. Yeah.
This year yan, sure
Yeah,
yan.
yeah, we'll go Quezon City
Siyempre,
this
ibablog ni Papa at i-announce
Yes,
yan.
yes,
Para
of course.
mapuntahan nyo. Pwede kami mag-food trip dyan.
Yeah, of course,
Para
Mamu. Yeah,
mapakita
para
natin.
mapakain ko rin sa inyo
Yes.
na yung healthy, yung healthy
Correct.
version.
Okay, balik tayo sa journey mo pa rin
Yes.
kasi meron pa ilang katanungan. Prior again to your weight loss journey, did you ever experience being body shamed?
Yes.
Oo.
Yes, kasi
On social media?
Oo,
or-
ang laki ko talaga, Mamu. And I wasn't, I hated posting. I didn't want to post. I didn't like to look at myself on pictures. Yung ganyan. And,
What was the worst comment that was parang nasaktan ka talaga na you lost sleep over it?
yeah,
or-
there was one comment. Nag-post ako before na parang pictures namin nung family. It was an occasion. Tapos, may nag-comment doon, in-erase ko agad. May nag-comment na, grabe, pare-pareho pa kami nila Nads no na malalaki, 'di ba? And even my other sister was big pa noon before she went on a diet also. Na parang grabe, ang balyena nyo, ano nangyari sa inyo? Yung ganon. So, dinilit ko agad yon. Na parang minsan, siyempre, di ba, ang sarap
Masakit yun.
sagutin. Hindi, minsan, ang sarap sagutin na, sorry kasi may pambili kami ng food. Parang ganon, di ba? Yung ganon. But, on the other hand, na parang, you take it na lang in a way na, oo nga, parang ang laki na nga natin. Yung ganon.
That's
So,
how you
we have to
took
do something about it.
Yeah,
Yung
yeah.
ganyan.
What about being body shamed by friends or family? Di ba minsan may kulturang Pilipino, ibig na, uy, kumusta ka na?
Yes.
Ang sasabihin, uy, taba mo ngayon. Di ba?
Nako,
Yung mga kamag-anak.
there was one incident. My mom was out. My mom had lunch out with her amigas. Okay? And one of her amiga talaga, one of her friend, talagang nung pinuntahan ko si mami, sinundo ko, sabi sa akin nung isang friend ni mami na, uy, ano nangyari sa'yo? Sabi niya gano'n, you're too big already. Yung ginanon ako.
Yung anong nangyari sa'yo as if kasalanan,
Yes!
malaking kasalanan, na nag-gain ka ng weight
Oo.
without even asking the history
Correct.
na hindi nila alam na meron
Yung
ka pala
Hashimoto disease.
disease,
Yes,
na
yes.
merong kinalaman sa thyroid.
At saka sa autoimmune.
Diba?
Yeah.
They will be more understanding.
Yes.
Ganun nga yung kultura ng Pinoy.
Yeah.
Tsaka, sa totoo lang naman, Tanya, hindi lang naman yung mga payat at sexy ang maganda.
Oo.
Lahat tayo maganda in our own
in our own
ways.
little way.
But you cannot philosophize that way sa mga taong kakakita
Yes.
lang sa'yo,
Yes.
hindi naman close sa'yo,
Correct.
pero babatiin ka,
Correct.
o di kaya sa social media, ang bilis mag-comment,
Correct.
parang makakapagod din naman mag-explain. No?
Ano yan, mamu naging ano na natin dito sa social media natin na yung parang it's so easy. It's so easy for them to comment.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
so easy for them to throw out hurtful words.
Yeah.
Sobrang dali. Kaya minsan I try to avoid na rin. As much as I can, I try to avoid social media. I try to avoid but kasi minsan ang sakit na ng mga comments diba? Yung ganyan. Even now, mamu na pinopost ko yung weight loss journey ko, may mga nagko-comment pa rin na akala nila, hindi, nag-injection ka lang yung ganyan.
Oo. Kasi uso ho ngayon
Kasi uso nga yung
injection,
mga
no?
injections,
Oo.
yung mga peptides, yung mga ganyan. So parang gusto ko lang sabihin na parang, excuse me po, hindi, pinaghirapan ko to.
Oo.
Yung ganon.
Wala pong injection kay Miss Tanya.
Pinaghirapan ko to for 9 months.
Yeah.
Na ang injection lang na binigay sa akin ni Doc is vitamin B12 and amino acid
Which is needed
for
for
my metabolism.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all. So, yung iba nga yung gano'n na, may magpa-private message pa ako, did you use ganito? Did you use ganyan? So, hindi naman talaga
Yeah,
yung
yeah.
gano'n. So,
Kasi nga iba-iba ang weight loss methods.
Yes.
Pero kay Miss Tanya, narinig yun na calorie
Calorie deficit.
Kasi the injection is vitamin B.
B12
So it's not that
and
other
amino
famous.
acid. No.
Alam mo na,
Yeah,
na ginagamit ng Hollywood stars.
Yes.
And 9 months.
9
Guys, 9 months. Hindi to
Oo,
overnight.
hindi
Hindi to 1 week. Hindi to 1 month even.
Not
9
even
months.
1 month.
Almost a year.
Yes.
Pero yun nga, pag hindi ka naman tambay ng social media every single day, magugulat ka na nga
Yeah.
lang. Pag bigla,
Yeah.
ang payat na niya, akala mo na kahapon lang nag-start.
Correct.
Eh, hindi naman ho yun.
No.
Pero nandito nga si Miss Tanya, kasi ako, yung nakita ko, na-inspire ako. So I'm
Yeah.
sure kayo rin na-inspire. So doon tayo sa part ng weight loss
Yes.
journey nila na may inspire tayo, di ba?
Actually, Mamu, it's ever since I did the weight loss journey and a lot of my friends from before have been, have been contacting me, have been, na parang, let's do this. So, kung sa ibang artista, Mamu, meron silang glam team, yung ganon. Sa akin, meron akong binubuo na wellness glam team, yung ganon, yung wellness and health and wellness team, yung ganyan.
Galing.
So pretty soon we'll be coming out with programs, we'll be coming out with mga we'd like to come up with kasi akala nila akala nila I was doing machines for my face, yung mga ganon.
Wala kayong ano, ang tawag doon
Yung mga RF
Oh,
na
yun,
ganon.
yung mga
Wala,
nilit.
wala, mamu. It's just a skincare that I do for myself na parang ano na,
Which
vitamin C
Yan,
infused
vitamin C.
din. Oo.
Ah,
So,
wala mga
pretty soon-
cream.
Wala, mamu.
Wala.
It's serum talaga na vitamin C na ganyan. So, pretty soon, we'll come out also with a skincare, yung ganyan, na suitable for women 50 and above.
Tayo yan.
Yes.
Kasi so
50
many
and
things
above.
happen to our bodies.
Yes.
Diba? 50s, menopause. Oo.
Tapos, nandun yung yung iba nagkakaroon na ng not only with the menopause, mamu, although yung sa menopause kasi natin, ang daming nag-incorporate na problems doon,
Tama.
di ba?
Isa na
So,
doon, belly fat.
belly fat.
Retention of fat
Oo.
dito sa area.
Tapos yung iba, sagging of the
Oh,
skin.
yun, nagsistart
diba?
na, law of
Oo,
gravity.
Yeah.
Boom.
Sagging of the skin, yung ganyan. So, yung iba kasi akala, it's only collagen that can boost the skin, yung ganyan. But no, through my weight loss journey, syempre nagbabasa ako, nagre-research din ako, yung ganyan. And I did my So yung vitamin C really helps the skin, the elasticity of the skin. It's not only the collagen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's good kasi while you're losing weight,
Yes.
diba, na yung skin mo hindi rin nagsasag. Kasi as you lose the fat, di ba, ang tendency, ang
Babagsak.
daming loose skin.
Yes.
So, kailangan yon para tight pa din.
Yes,
Parang
yes.
ganon.
So yun yung ko. Pati facial wash, mamu, nag-experiment ako ng mga facial wash na yung kahit papaano, pag ginawa mo, it doesn't sag the
Yeah.
skin. Yung
So, it's your
ganyan.
own brand?
Yeah,
Your
it's
team's
going
brand?
Yes, my team's
Ooh.
brand, my brand, my And yun, kaya meron akong tinatawag na health and wellness team. Hindi siya glam team.
Wow.
Yeah.
Excited na ako sa launch
Kasi,
niyan.
mamu, if you notice also,
Yeah.
one good thing lang is
Tight
walang
pa din.
Yeah.
Yeah, tight pa din.
98 pounds.
Oh, kasi nga, kahit nag-lose ka ng 98 pounds, dahan-dahan,
Yes.
hindi bigla.
Hindi siya drastic.
Kaya nag-adjust din yung skin
Yes.
o yung elasticity.
There was chance. And
Yeah.
yun din yung nagagawa din ng yung vitamins.
Oh,
the
yun.
vitamin B12.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
aside from the vitamin B12 injection, I would take vitamin B12 orally.
Yun na.
Basta hindi ako nawawala ng vitamins. Hindi
What
ako
about yung sagging part ng sa tummy, sa belly?
Actually,
or
wala
sa,
ako.
Sa
Legs.
Wala.
Wala,
Diba,
wala.
Biglang, yung iba, di ba, nagsasag.
Yes. Oo. Sa akin, mamu, wala.
Oh, ang ganda
Yeah.
ng pagkakapayat.
Yes.
Kasi I'm sure nakikita mo sa Instagram yung iba, sobrang daming excess skin
Yes.
na kailangan ba ginagawa. Tinatanggal yung skin. Tummy tuck.
Tapos
and-
skin, yung nagpapahigpit ng skin. Yeah.
So,
No,
ikaw
sa
walang
akin,
gano'n na yun. Si Dr. Ron, gano'n din lahat ng pasyente niya.
Yes.
Whether celebrity or not, hindi
Yes.
na kailangan ng tummy tuck or
Wala
skin.
akong na-encounter na patient sa clinic ni Doc na nagsasabi na kailangan niya ng
ng
na
tummy
kailangan
tuck
niya ng tummy tuck.
Or
Wala.
skin, ano yung tawag? Skin
Skin
bawas.
tightening. Skin tightening, yeah. Yeah, yung surgery na gano'n.
galing.
Wala, ma'am.
Wow. So, psychologically, emotionally,
Yes.
how do you feel na anong naging effect nitong 98-pound weight loss journey mo?
Psychologically, it makes me feel good. It makes me feel good. It makes me, it made me more confident na, mamu, na parang, 5 pounds nga lang ang hirap i-lose eh. 'Di ba?
Pero may ano na yun, may difference na yun, makikita mo na, di ba?
oo.
Oh.
I mean, losing 5 pounds is already at shore
Yeah.
to others. But losing 98 pounds, na parang, okay, kinaya ko to.
Olympics medal ang
Diba?
level niyan.
Kinaya ko to. So, parang, ang feeling ko lang ngayon, mamu, is, I was able to lose 98 pounds. So, parang, whatever comes to me now, kakayanin ko.
Kaya, oo.
Diba? Nandun na ako sa mindset na yon.
Yes.
Na, although, sabihin ko talaga, last year wasn't easy at all. It was really difficult. I mean, emotionally, mentally, lahat po, mamu, it was really difficult. But, now that 2026 is and then I've reached this point, and then, ang dami ng opportunities na pumapasok for new ventures, new parang new life track. Yung
Yeah.
ganon, mamu. So parang yung confidence talaga nag-build. The confidence, yung kahit papaano yung mo sa sarili mo, yung believe mo sa sarili mo.
kumpiyansa sa
Yeah, yung
sarili.
kumpiyansa na parang hindi naman pala kailangan maging bata ka lang para ma-reach mo yung magandang aura mo
Yeah.
or ano. Doesn't need to be, no matter what age you are, 40, 50, 60, it's talagang a mindset.
Yes.
It's a mindset that you need to, kailangan mo lang ilabas sa sarili mo.
Yeah.
Kailangan
And
mo lang
weight loss
talaga.
is a mind game and a
Yes.
mindset.
Yes. Weight loss is, yes, it's not easy, pero kaya naman pala.
Yeah. yeah.
Diba? Kaya naman pala.
Sige, tatawagan na kita. Malapit na ako convince. Andiyan na naman number ni Doc Ron.
Yeah.
Matatakutin kasi yung mamo mo.
No, hindi, wala naman.
Pero dahil alam ko na, dahil sinabi mo na yung calorie deficit,
Yes.
susubukan ko muna yung
Yeah,
calorie
the calorie
deficit.
deficit,
At ang
yeah.
maganda pa to, as a restaurant owner, imagine, connected sa,
Food.
sa pagkain, di ba?
Yeah.
Tinan mo, naisip mo tuloy gawin yung paella,
Correct,
na
yung
shirataki,
shirataki.
tapos yung vegetarian version ng vegan version ng
kalyos
na
and all the
nakakataba.
other
I
Spanish
cannot wait for
dishes.
that.
Yeah.
Para those who love Spanish food,
Yes.
will enjoy the healthier
Na without
version.
the guilt. Without the guilt. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Na pwede naman
Yeah.
pala talaga.
Correct.
Na kung hindi ko pa inabot tong weight loss journey na to, is hindi ko maisip na, may healthier version pala na pwede ko palang gawin.
Yeah, and at 50, di ba?
55
Life
ako,
begins
Mamu, di ba?
at 55.
So, 5.
Pareho tayo, 55 din ako. Life begins at
Life
50.
begins at 55.
Yeah.
Diba? So parang you don't have to stop there.
Yes, tama.
Life doesn't stop there.
Tama.
Marami ka pang pwedeng gawin. Kung anong kayang gawin ng isang 30-year-old, kaya para natin gawin.
Naman, oo.
Diba?
So ito, sa dating nagbabody shame sa'yo, sa social media, or in person, anong gusto mong sabihin sa kanila?
Ano lang, we all go through, ako, Mamu, I believe, we all go through ugly stages in our lives. May ugly stage. And at least kahit papano, thank you na binody shame nyo kami or whatever. Kasi it gave me one of the determinations to at least lose the weight na parang, okay, parang hindi na ako mabody shame naman next time, diba? Parang kahit naglalakad ako dyan, hindi ako mahihiya, diba? Na, kasi dati laging kailangan naka-black lang ako, kailangan ganito, kailangan ganon. So, pero now, at least now, Mamu, ngayon lang in my entire life, kahit nung dalaga ako, kahit nung bagong nag-artista pa lang ako, ngayon lang ako na-experience na bumili ng t-shirt na medium.
Wow!
diba?
Congratulations! At ang
Super.
pantalon, ano ng size ng pantalon? 20?
29 tong suot ko,
29.
pero nasa hipster.
Nasa hips.
Oo.
Taray. 29, tucked na yung shirt, di ba?
Pero nasa hipster.
Hipster yun. Ibig sabihin,
Mas
ang
maliit.
actual waistline mo is, ano na,
Would be
26?
siguro siguro mga 28 ngayon siya, ma'am. 28, 27,
panalo.
ganyan.
From dating 30?
Oh my gosh! From dating 3XL ako, Mamu. 3XL yung binibili kong damit online.
Oo.
3XL.
Ano nangyari sa mga damit pinamigay mo na?
Pinamigay
O
ko.
souvenir?
Hindi. Ayoko na nga balikan yun, Mamu. Kaya pinamigay ko talaga siya. Kasi sa ko, ayoko siyang nakikita.
So wala ka nang tinira?
Wala na akong
Hindi mo
tinira.
nakikita.
So,
Wardrobe change talaga.
yes.
Ah.
It's only now that grabe ang sarap na parang, okay, when you go to a store, asan ang medium? Ganun.
As
Diba?
children's
Ah.
size na ganito.
Asan ang medium
Pero ang
dito?
paan di nagbabago, no?
No. Pero nagsislim siya, Mamu. Kasi
Guwapa
dati,
yan.
nakakapagsuot ako ng size 9.
Oo.
Pero ngayon, I go 8.
Oh.
Yung ganyan. Hindi na pwede sa akin ng 9.
Hmm.
Yung mga 9 ko, mga
Nakapark.
na siya eh, kasi yung pa ako lumulusot na siya. Di ba?
Nakakatuwa. At ngayon, nakakapag two-piece ka na.
Hindi pa nakakapag two-piece, pero bumili na ako ng
Bumili
two-piece.
na ng two-piece. Uy, pa-share naman yan. Baka next week, pwede ko na isama yan dito sa
Sige,
vlog.
Mamu.
Mag-OOTD ka na ng
Mag-OOTD
two-piece.
ako para lang may mabigay akong picture
no?
sa'yo.
Diba? Ng before and after.
Yeah, for
Pero
you.
sa ngayon, one piece. Thank you
One-
for me.
For you. For Mamu.
For you guys, teammates. Tapos yung one piece.
Yes,
Bongga
the one
meron
piece.
na.
Yes.
Na with confidence
Yes.
ba?
Tapos yung
Diba?
naka-shorts, yung mga ganyan.
Taray, nakakatawa
I'll send it to you.
naman. Kasi di ba guys nga, weight loss is not just about weight loss. Hindi yan
No.
aesthetics.
Yeah.
Hindi lang vanity eh.
Yeah.
Kasi it involves your body, inside your body, your heart, your
Your
liver,
health.
your kidney, yung health mo talaga, your gut. Eh di ba, ang health talaga starts with the gut. That's what you eat. Talagang totoo, no? You are what you eat.
Yeah, tama
Oo.
talaga yung sinabi ni Doc. You
Oo.
are what you eat.
Oo, di ba?
You are what you eat. Tapos, ma'am, when I started with Doc, yung visceral fat ko, visceral fat ko was 14. So, ibig sabihin, fatty liver, yung ganon, yung ganyan.
14 what? 14?
14, parang 14.3. Parang
Okay,
ganon
okay.
yung visceral fat ko. Ngayon, ang visceral fat ko, normal, 7.
Oo, tamo,
Oh, diba?
nag-normal
Yeah,
na.
so,
So, possible din yun, ano?
Yes,
With
yes.
less body fat, pati yung, never ka naman naging diabetic, no?
No,
Never ka
hindi
rin
ko.
naging fatty liver.
Nagkaroon ako ng fatty
Ngayon,
liver.
wala na.
Ngayon, no more na.
So, nare-reverse pala yung
Yeah,
fatty liver.
kasi yung visceral fat ko, 7 na lang.
Taray!
Diba, yun?
Oh, guys, nare-reverse pa yung fatty liver.
Yes, ma'am.
I love
yes,
it.
yes. Kaya sabi ni Doc, nung lumabas yung last, sabi niya, oh, okay, we're good.
Ah.
Ang ganun. So, masaya din siya.
Alam mo, Tanya, dahil dyan, Doc, na-convince na ako.
Doc.
Sa end, na-convince na. Kasi di ba, may ara, ang dami
Yes,
na. Oh.
ang dami, Doc. Ay, ang dami, ma'am. Ang dami.
Pagpe-pray ko
sobra.
yan.
Yeah,
Pagpe-pray
mo.
natin yan.
Yeah.
Sige, before we move on to the bad,
Bad read.
bad talk, thank you for sharing
Thank
your
you,
weight loss
Mamu.
journey.
Yes.
Alam mo, si Papoy nagsabi sa akin, alam mo, interview ko si Tanya,
Oo.
sumama ka.
Yeah.
Interview mo siya, tanungin mo siya, uy, gusto ko yan,
Oo.
tanungin mo siya. Sabi ko, okay lang ba sa kanya to talk about it? Okay sa kanya yun, to
Yes.
inspire
Yes, to
so
inspire.
many women.
Yes.
54% of my subscribers
Are women. Yes.
Women, 40 years to 60. Ito talaga yung
You know,
market
Mamu,
natin.
every time I would post on my Instagram, I would always look at the insights.
Yeah,
Diba? I'd
insights.
always look at the insights. And I'd always share it to Doc Angeles.
Yeah.
Kasi sinasabi ko talaga sa kanya, Doc, look, when I post about weight loss, Mamu, grabe yung insights in like 2 days.
Diba?
But when you post about something else, okay, normal lang, they'll like it. So it just shows na talagang marami talagang interesado
Gusto.
sa weight loss and sa health journey.
Yes.
Diba? So I keep telling Doc, Doc, grabe yung insights natin when it comes to weight loss. Yung ganyan. And then, marami rin nagme-message sa akin, Mamu, nagdi-DM sa akin na, Miss Tanya, how do you do it? You're such an inspiration, yung ganyan. So, I'd always, tas yung iba, I already scheduled with Doc Angeles because of you, yung ganyan.
Yay.
So, it's nakakatuwa kasi marami ka rin na i-inspire na tao, 'di ba? Marami ka rin na natutulungan actually in our own
Yes,
little way, Mamu, na marami kang natutulungan na hindi imposible.
Yeah.
Kasi 'di ba sabi nila, naku, pag tungtong mo ng 40, ang hirap ng pumayat, ang hirap. No.
Yeah.
Yun din yung mind ko dati eh. Yun din yung paniniwala ko before,
Yeah.
but honestly, because I did it, it's all a myth.
Yeah.
It's all a myth na talagang nasa food intake mo pa rin talaga.
Tama. And life doesn't end just because you gain that much weight.
Yes.
Life doesn't end.
No, it
There's a
doesn't end
solution.
there. No, there's always a solution.
Yeah.
Kailangan mo lang talaga i-set yung mind mo na kailangan desidido ka,
Yeah.
kailangan disciplined ka, and kailangan talagang you want it not only because you want to aesthetically look good or
Yeah.
whatever, but you want it because for health.
Yeah.
You wanna live longer. Longevity.
Yeah.
You
Tama.
wanna live
Longevity.
longer. Diba?
Tama.
Longevity
Gusto
yun
natin
eh.
yan.
Kasi most of the problems, most of the sickness na meron tayo ngayon, nanggagaling from inside.
Oo.
From inside.
Liver, heart, lahat na.
Liver,
Kidney.
heart, kidney,
Yeah.
yung ganyan. Even the
Intestine,
stomach.
yeah,
Diba?
yeah.
So, ang dami ng problema because of the kind of food that we have
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Diba?
Daming
Puro,
process.
ang daming process, ang daming
So, basta
instant.
tanggalin mo lang yung process, salty, dairy, no?
Yeah.
Talaga it will aid you in weight loss. Pero kayang i-maintain. Baka magtatanong sila, baka
Yes.
naman bumalik ako sa dati.
No.
Anong sagot doon?
No, that's what
yung
they,
ako.
no. Hindi ka babalik sa dati.
Kung di mo
because-
kakainin yung dati
Yes,
mo
kung hindi mo kakainin yung mga dati mong kinakain
Paano
na
yung
alam
lechon?
mo. No, but it's good, Mamo. It's protein naman
Oh,
eh.
tanggalin
diba?
yung taba sa
tanggalin
balat.
yung taba, oo. Tapos yung lechon naman, niro-roast naman yun, Mamo.
Actually,
Hindi
hindi naman
naman fried
piniprito,
yun.
oo,
It's not
tama.
fried, diba?
Yeah, yeah.
So yun, tanggalin mo lang talaga yung mga alam mong makakasama sa'yo.
Yeah, yeah.
Like the processed, the instant, yung
naku, lahat
anything instant,
Yeah.
mamo, is bad.
Oo.
Diba? Junk. Anything junk
isa pa yan.
really is bad.
Oo.
Yung gano'n. Yes, masarap. Yes, ano talaga
Yeah.
siya. But, would you believe, Mamu? But there are also healthy foods, ha? Na hindi rin ganun ka, akala natin healthy,
Oo,
pero
oo.
hindi rin siya good. Kasi high in fat, yung
Can you
ganyan.
name, aside from the avocado na high in fat, omega-3 but high in fat, can you name 2 more na,
Coconut.
oh, sabi nila coconut solves everything. Diba yung, ano yung bullet coffee, lalagyan ng coconut
oil.
inumin? Hindi pala.
One coconut, Mamu,
Oh.
one coconut is 1,500 calories.
Di nga, yung sabaw nun.
Daw sa
Kasi
bawang dami.
naman-
Diba?
Di ko
And
alam yun.
Peanuts.
500. Oh, di ba sabi na, nuts are good,
Yeah,
eat
peanuts.
1 cup of peanuts a day.
No.
Yung,
Yeah. Kaya nga, di ba, inaano sa atin na,
Hindi ko na
pag
nalaman.
nasa beach tayo, buko pa lang naman, tsaka isang platitong mani pa lang naman nakakain ko. Wala pang breakfast, wala pang lunch, wala pang dinner, ganyan. Kaya lang 1,500 calories, tapos 300
kahit
calories.
sungsung lang, yung alam mo yung peanut na parang
Kasi
binoy
any
lang,
peanut.
sungsung.
Yeah,
Any
any
peanut pala.
Yeah. So,
Grabe.
di ba isang platitong mani, 300 calories. Isang buko, Mamu, is 1,500. So, hindi ka pa kumakain ng food mo,
1,000.
naka 1,800 ka na.
Grabe, ngayon ko lang nalaman. Although we thought,
Yeah.
I'm sure kayo rin dyan,
Yeah.
nanonood na, buko is good. Na parang walang fat yan.
Yeah. But it's 1,500 calories.
Which turns into sugar ba? Or
No, it
basta-
turns into fat. Kasi it's 1,500 calories. It exceeds already your
Goodbye, buko.
Yeah.
In moderation.
Yeah, in moderation.
Eh, yung Christmas, buko salad.
Diba? But
Buko
in
juice.
moderation lang naman. But,
I
ano
learned
lang.
so much
Yeah.
from you. Pwede ka na mag-webinar ng do's and don'ts in
Yeah.
eating. So I'd like to end this portion of my vlog by thanking you
Yes, Mamu.
again and
Thank
again
you.
for the inspiration and congratulating you.
Thank you.
Dahil goals achieved, unlock.
Yes,
diba?
unlock.
Check. Tapos with your new body to flaunt.
Yeah.
I shall wait for the 2-piece.
Yeah, I will. I'll do a OOTD for the day.
Thank
Kahit
you.
nasa bahay lang ako.
Tanong din natin si Dr. Ron, baka pwedeng ma-interview yung iba niyang mga
Yeah.
celebrity patients.
Yeah.
And, inspire.
Yeah.
Si Alma is a good friend of mine,
Yes,
Alma Concepcion.
Alma,
Baka pwede
Alma.
rin.
Yeah.
I'm sure may iba rin siyang story.
Oo, may
papunta
ibang,
doon sa weight
may ibang
loss.
journey din yun si
yun.
Alma.
Ganda yun yun ang magiging,
Even Arlene.
di ba, hindi na lang pala bag talk to, magiging weight loss journey na yung
Yes.
playlist ko.
Yes, di ba?
So yan, so i-end natin to by, nabigyan mo na sila ng yung mga women out there,
Yes.
ng positive message.
Yes.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be na porket 50 years old na tayo or above 50 means it's the end of the road for us to look good and feel good because there is always a way. It's just a matter of discipline, the right food, and the right guidance.
Yeah.
The right guidance lang talaga. And learn to love your body. Kasi ngayon, sobrang mahal ko yung katawan ko. Ayoko nang ipasok yung mga junk sa katawan ko.
Yun.
Diba?
Yeah.
So, once everything turns out na makikita mo na you're healthy, even the inside is healthy, matatakot ka nang kainin yung mga junk
Mga poison
food. Yeah,
sa
mga
katawan,
poison
toxic.
food
Oo.
na ano.
Yeah. So when you love your body will love you back.
Back. Diba?
And when there's a will, there's Doc Ron.
When there's a will, there's Doc Angeles. O, diba?
Ron Angeles. Tama ba?
Yeah.
Ang tawag sa kanya ay
Roland Angeles.
Roland Angeles.
Yes.
And ang tawag sa kanya, Doctor of
Doctor of the Stars, Doctor of Weight Loss.
Doctor of the Stars,
Yeah.
Doctor of Weight Loss.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. At
Thanks,
syempre,
Mamu.
teammates, weight loss pa lang yan.
Yes.
But wait, there's more.
Bag raid.
Isang mabilis ang bag raid right after this. Commercial muna. Cheers muna tayo.
Cheers, Mamu.
Yeah, cheers to your
Yes.
weight loss.
Tignan natin to.
At andito na nga tayo sa ating bag talk. Dahil tapos na, kanina sinabi na ni Miss Tanya ang kanyang beauty regimen, yung serum at vitamin C. Busisiin na natin ang laman ng bag. Pero bago yan, may lang, ano bang history ng bag na ititch na Kate Spade, New York?
This one
Yan.
naman is was a gift by my daughter who lives in the US.
Oh, yeah, Kate Spade kasi it's in New York,
Yes,
yeah.
So, and I like it kasi Mamo, sobrang gaan niya.
Yes,
Magaan
tama.
siya and yung ano niya, hindi siya nababasa. Diba?
Correct.
Yung ganyan. So,
Water
okay
repellent,
lang.
waterproof. Yes.
So, okay.
So,
Yan.
kahit malagyan ng ano,
Oo, madali lang.
madaling laban.
Madaling
Oh,
laban.
yes.
Yan. That's why I like it so much.
Yes, it's
Yun.
nice size also.
Correct.
So, what's inside Tanya's
What's
bag?
inside my bag? Okay, first, Mamu, syempre hindi nawawala yung aking makeup kit.
Yes.
But it's not that masyadong
Ano
of
mga
course,
makeup?
ano lang to, Mamu, my press powder.
Press powder.
And
Yan,
then
ating
my-
ilalata. Nakikita mo dyan sa close-up. Oh.
Yan, my press powder. And then my blush on and yung konting shimmer.
Yes, you're
And then,
partial to CD.
Yeah,
Isn't
that's
your...
no, Mamu, that's Charlotte Tilbury.
Charlotte Tilbury. Yeah,
That's
I
my
know that
favorite
brand.
And then, of course, my lip liner.
So, ikaw lang nagme-makeup sa sarili mo?
Yeah.
Wala kayong parang professional makeup artist?
None. My lip liner. And of course, yung sa aking eyebrow kasi medyo unruly yung
Ay, pag
eyebrow.
ganon, tama. Eyebrow gel.
Yes. And then, syempre hindi nawawala yung shave natin sa eyebrow.
I know.
Diba?
Yung mga bushy-bushy
Oo.
dyan.
And then sa ano naman, Mamu, sa lipstick naman, ang favorite ko is MAC.
MAC. And the
Yeah.
shades are...
The shades are, of course, this one is for like nighttime or for yung ganyan.
Na brownish shade,
Yes,
oo.
the
And
brownish
the other
shade.
one is?
And this one is my favorite nude.
Ayan.
Forever
nude.
ko nang
So, hindi
gamit
ka mahilig
to.
sa pula.
No, Mamu. For
Ako
some
naman,
reason, feeling ko parang hindi siya bagay sa akin. diba?
Ako naman, di sa akin bagay yung brown.
Talaga?
Nagmumukha akong ewan, basta. Tsaka hindi ako masaya. Pero pag
okay.
pink at saka red, automatic, may effect sa akin.
Okay.
Masaya ako. Ikaw naman, dyan ka masaya.
Oo. Tapos of course, my lip gloss is also MAC.
Lip gloss,
syempre.
para hindi nagdi-dry ang
Tapos
lips.
I have this one na, ito yung cushion cloud na lipstick.
Ano yun?
Na sobrang mura lang niya, Mamu. Ayan yung brand.
Oo, yes. Alam natin yan.
Oo,
Lumaki tayo
sobrang mura.
dyan.
It's only
Ano
275.
ginagawa? Cushion cloud.
It's cushion cloud na parang nagmamatch siya pag nilagay mo sa na kahit kumain ka, hindi siya, it doesn't promote long wearing. But for some reason, pag nakastay lang siya.
Nice.
Yung ganyan.
Oo.
So, ito yun.
Hindi kailangan mag-reapply.
Hindi masyado. Yan.
Okay.
And
Tip
then,
from Tanya.
Yeah. And then, yan, yung primer ko lang.
Kailangan mag-primer before the makeup para...
Yeah, yun lang. And then, of course, toothbrush, toothpaste.
Yes,
Kasi
it's a must.
tayo
Dito natin
dyan.
lagay.
And then, of course, my concealer.
Concealer. Kompleto, parang
concealer.
professional makeup artist to.
Concealer.
Yeah,
And then there's this Mamu, I think nakikita mo to.
Ano siya,
Sa
Magic?
Instagram or
Magic
whatever.
Hindi pa siya dumadaan sa feed
Pag
ko.
you just need very small,
Oo.
super small lang siya. Ganyan lang, Mamu.
Oo.
And then you spread it on your cheeks.
And then,
Ganyan.
what happens?
Ganyan. Nagpipink siya.
Pero pag pag ganyan
White.
puti, oo. Sige
Pero
nga,
as you
demo.
spread it here, Mamu, look.
Ay,
ganyan.
oo nga.
Yan.
Nagiging
So,
pink.
yeah, when like
Magic
I'm on the go
blusher.
lang, yung parang for the grocery lang, or
Yeah.
yan lang ginagamit ko. Hindi ko ginagamit
Kasi
yung
maganda
Charlotte.
ka na kahit walang makeup. Kaya talaga pag mistisa, Diyosa.
And then, of course, nail cutters, always.
Yes.
And yung pambunot ng kilay, Mamu.
So,
Diba?
meron ka ng pang-shave,
Yes.
may pambunot ka
Kasi
pa.
kami naiiwan, di ba? Tapos minsan ang pangit ng gano'n.
Balbon ka kasi maraming buhok sa kilay.
So, yan lang naman yung everyday ko.
Okay, so ito na ang everyday
Yes.
chumalu. So yan ang everyday makeup
Yeah.
chumalu ni
Yes.
Tanya. Or what else is inside? I shall put it
Okay,
here
what
now.
else is inside? Etong Coach wallet ko.
Oh yeah, bigay din
Eto
ng
naman,
yung daughter.
Naman,
Wow.
this one naman is my favorite. Not only because of the size,
Yeah.
hindi siya malaki, hindi siya maliit, sakto yung size niya. And it's kasi my granddaughter bought this for me nung yung last biyahe niya sa US.
Ito na yung apo mo. May apo ka na pala.
Yeah, I have 6, Mamu. 2 with my
Hindi ako
eldest.
pa wala isa ng lola.
I have 2 with my eldest and 4 with my son.
Oh,
Yeah. So this one is gift of Steph to me when she went to the US. And sabi niya, Mama, I bought that with my own baon.
Oh,
Yung ganyan.
yun
So,
yun.
yeah, that's why this one's very memorable sa akin. So this one.
Regalo ng apo. Nice brand
Yes,
too.
Of course.
Yes.
And then this one naman, Mamu, one of my favorite brands sa pouches, Bash.
Bash.
Yung kay-
Si Bea.
Yes.
Punta kami ng launch ng Bash.
Super. I love
Nagbigay din
Bash.
siya. Yeah. Si
I love
Junos
Bash.
meron sa bag niya. Gray.
Yeah.
Ganyang version
I love
ba?
Bash kasi sobrang gaan. Tapos
Yeah.
kahit anong hindi siya nadudumihan. And then inside, sabi ko sa'yo, fan ako ng
Bash.
Bash.
Correct.
Dito
Set
naman,
yan, set yan.
dito naman, Mamu, dito ko nilalagay yung mga sweetener.
Yeah, the sweeteners. Yes.
And then, ito yung,
Pasan
what
po?
do you call this? Toothpick. And then
yes,
the dental
yes.
floss.
Correct. Dental floss.
Yes.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then yung ID ko, passport.
Yeah, passport.
Yan. Passport
Alam mo,
always with
anywhere
me.
yung passport. Always.
Yes,
Okay.
always.
Yes.
Tapos, ano pa ba?
Yun na nakakatawa sa bag na maraming may lalagay doon.
Tapos, ito of course, may alcohol.
Mayroon tayo na
diba?
alcohol. Bigay ng ninang ko, hygienics. Ay,
and then,
ninang Sansan.
Of course, my favorite.
Yeah, anong favorite mo?
Joe
I'm sure
Malone.
tatanungin nila eh. What is it? Lime based. Alam mo,
That's my
sobrang,
all-time favorite.
sobrang 80s lang.
Diba?
Ina-appear ko lang.
Diba?
Ng ko.
Yan.
Ano naman, relate ka naman sa appear. di ba?
Yes.
Lime basil. Yan, babango yan.
That's my all-time
eh.
favorite.
Bango yan,
And of
babango.
course, hindi, pag hindi naman, once lang ako mag-perfume sa paglabas ng bahay. And then, during the day, syempre, yung cologne.
Light cologne.
Cologne lang to.
Yeah.
Yung favorite natin, 80s again.
Alam ko na yan. Yun yun.
Yan. Either of the two.
Sobrang
yan.
throwback. I love that.
Tapos, I don't
Malaking
use
bote.
brush, comb ako.
Comb.
Yes, I'm a
Hair,
comb
no?
person.
Comb person.
And then, syempre, hindi mawawala yung aking fiber and safflower oil from Doc
Ayun na
Angeles because I
nga.
take this before meals.
Yun.
Yes.
Fiber.
Fiber and safflower oil. And of course, yung book.
Oh, this
Yeah.
is your current read.
Actually, Mamu, siya yung forever read ko.
forever. So,
Kasi meron na rin akong prayers dyan. So, it's always with me.
It's like a journal na rin, diary.
it's always
Nagsusulat
with
ka
me.
dito.
Yung mga prayers ko, sinusulat ko sa mga empty spaces,
oo.
yung ganyan. Tapos may mga prayers na si Joel Austin na
Wow.
binabasa ko I have alarm sa phone ko every hour, yung ganyan.
Care to share a line or two from the book? Na favorite mo? From the
this
book that will
one.
motivate them? Share natin sa
Ang
kanila.
pinaka gusto ko dito is
Ayan.
this prayer na, Lord, thank you for a night shift. Thank you that things are changing in my favor. It's dark now, but I believe what you said that my light is about to come bursting in. So parang this is for people na parang medyo dark yung pinagdadaanan ngayon or may pinagdadaanan. That prayer would always boost you somehow na parang it may be dark now, but it's not gonna be dark forever.
Oh, ganda.
Because your light is about to come bursting in.
Wow, thank
Ayan.
you. Nasaan ulit yung page na yon?
Ito po.
Yan.
Naka-fold na yan.
Naka-fold na kasi
Yes,
na favorite mo.
ayan.
So what would you not leave home without? Sa dami nito. Maiwan na lahat, wag lang yun. Name me 3.
Name 3.
3 lang.
Okay,
Out of
meron pala.
all the things in
Ito.
your bag. Except na yung phone na given na yun.
Yeah,
Okay.
Itong small wallet na to.
Oh, yan,
Yeah,
okay.
because nandito
Pwede
lang yung
maiwan.
driver's license ko.
Correct.
And then yung yung card, yung
Yeah.
ganyan, ATM card, ganyan. And then this one, Mamu.
The
This
book?
one, yeah. And then this one.
Oh, the vitamins and suklay.
Yan, yun lang. yun
Thank you
lang.
so much.
Yeah.
O ito, kung ikaw ay isang bag, anong klase kang bag at bakit?
Kung ako bag,
Oo.
anong klaseng bag?
Oh, travel bag, backpack, evening bag, tote bag, at bakit?
Ako, tote bag.
Kasi?
Marami akong thoughts and feelings and emotions na nilalagay sa loob. So, hindi siya magkakasya sa evening bag, hindi siya magkakasya sa... Ayoko naman ng backpack. So, I think a tote bag would be kasi it will fit everything, yung emotions ko, yung thoughts ko, yung feelings ko, yung lahat yon, it would fit in there.
Beautifully said. I love it. I love it. And because of that, I have my pahabs for you. Yes. I
Yes.
always give this
Oh,
to the
yeah.
celebrities that I bag raid. It's a pouch and it says,
Now, these 3 things remain. Faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of this is love. True!
that's for you.
Diba? Yes,
Para
it's
malagyan ng
true.
kunik-anik mo.
Yes.
And of course, I'm sure you'll find this useful also.
Oh,
Nakita ko wala ka pa.
Ano na, Mamo, hindi ako masyadong
Ayan, baby ko, baby wipes.
Yes.
Just in case lang na
Yeah,
kailangan mo
of course,
magchuba-chuba.
of course.
Kasi sponsor.
Yeah. Thank
I-share lang
you.
sponsor. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ay, sobrang fun.
Mamo, thank you.
Sobrang thank you. So much fun, so much fun.
It's always
Thank you,
fun.
thank you, thank you,
It's always
thank you.
fun with you and Papu.
Salamat.
Sobra.
We've gained so many friends because of Papo's
Yes.
vlog.
Mapa
Damay-damay na ako.
Mapa radio station.
Yeah,
mapa,
TV, digital.
Super fun, super fun.
Thank you, Papu. I'd like to thank Papu for being so
Yeah, that's
supportive.
when Ate Beng messages me.
Thank you,
imposible
Beng.
akong umindi.
Thank you, Romy.
It's always
salamat.
impossible.
And thank you, teammates. O, babay na tayo sa
Thank you,
teammates
thank you,
natin.
guys. Thank
you,
you.
teammates. Be well. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to, eto na,
Yes.
subscribe. Gawain.
Ah, yeah,
don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.